What's good? It's Kev the Barber, and you're sitting at the barber's table. Before we start, I want to say, one, please hit that subscribe button if you have not already. That is very, 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 very pertinent. You feel what I'm saying? And hit that thumbs up button if you like this video. To all my subscribers, I just want to recognize that this is the 4th video in 3 days. Your boy's working out here. But a little caveat in this new video today. Apparently my memory card either got full or my battery died while I was recording, so I missed part of the shape up and the spin around at the beginning for the before, but I still have an image of that. Today there's a lot of content, so still please stay tuned. This video is not the first or the last of this kind. We're gonna have a progression of this fade. I kind of explain it while in later on. My boy Jason, he's trying to grow out a comb over. He has a lot really curly hair and he did not understand how to do it, and I show him with a blow dryer how to do it here in this video. If you guys have watched yesterday's vlog, please let me know what you guys think. If you haven't said it already, whatever questions you guys may have, please leave in the description box below. Yet again, thanks for watching. Let's get right into this cut. Here is the before. If you're new to these videos, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. It really helps out this channel. Really trying to drop all these videos. You guys see me putting in work just for you guys. Here's the after. You guys will see how this is done. I just missed the shape up with the edger. Camera was off, or the memory card filled up while I was cutting. I don't know what it was, but pay attention to the bridge of his head right here. The cut he had before, I didn't cut him before, just to let you know. It wasn't blended well with the top, so you can see how it looks like he kind of have a cap on his head. We're gonna fade just below that to allow the hair to grow. So you're going to see how it's kind of like a fix. I guess his fade is kind of like a fix, but you know, you guys are really going to see what I do to make sure that this fade is done, even though the canvas isn't really prepared for me. You know what I'm saying? This is open. I'm going up just about an inch. You guys have seen this before in other videos, but as I said, you know, it's really important in doing lever play here just to fade it out. But it's really important that you listen to the hair. Just because you have a system doesn't mean you just put your system on everybody's head and make sure that it tries to mold to it. You have to mold to the hair. So in this video, you guys will see how I take into consideration different parts of his head and different things that happen so we can get the desired result, even if he doesn't have the hair that he wants to get this done. I fast forward only on the other side. On this whole video, you really get to see real time, because usually I don't really do real time. I do fast motion, and it really is annoying to me that you guys don't get to see certain things that are real. This is the one open. I'm flicking out, and as I said, his hair on the side is probably about a 2, if not just a little more than that. I don't want to go too high. Now I close it. I'm just attacking this line. I'm gonna feather it out, and I'm gonna come back all the way down to the 0 or to the no guard to take it out. So I'm just nipping at it, and here comes my 0 guard. This takes that line right out. If you look at my clipper, it's angled. I'm probably using 2 teeth with the guard and keep switching back and forth. And what happens is it kind of just takes a little bit of the hair, kind of like you're sketching. You know, you're not committing that much to the fade. If you put the whole blade down, you're going to cut more than you want. This way you get to draw it a little bit. And I understand this is very, very confusing if you haven't done it before. And here goes my 1 guard. I'm just kind of blending to the top. I want that hair to grow, but I don't want lines at the same time. So I'm just nipping at it. I do this the entire time. First time I learned this, back when I was watching like Vic the Barber videos, this really changed my game. If you're able to do this while doing lever play, this is a 1 guard, by the way. I don't know if I said that, but if you're able to do this, it will really just allow you to do any fade, any direction, any way. And that's it. And here's the cleanup. Like I said, all of this is going to be, not all, but you know, a good amount is in real time. I want you guys to really experience how I cut hair. The speed is not as fast as usual, because when I have the camera there and I want to show you guys, I want it to be clear to me when I'm editing and clear to you guys. So this is generally how it should be done. You can go faster, you can go slower. I don't know, it's up to you. As long as you guys get the concept, get the fade in here. Just showing you the line. You see how I just went a little bit with the 1? I'm gonna let you guys listen to music and you can see the work. Now I think it's important to note that there's a bulk line up there at the bridge of his head again. I'm trying to, and here's a 2 I'm taking out because his hair there is more than a 2. I'm trying to allow that to grow, to allow him to have more of a box shaped cut. We're actually developing a comb over, so you will see my boy Jason here again. There's gonna be another cut. He's growing it out. This cut I did about 2-3 weeks ago, so you guys are gonna see the progression of me giving him a fade, and I'll make a video on that, how to really allow somebody to give people cuts and allow them to grow out comb over, I'm sorry. And one important fact, if you guys watch the I'm just clipping the hairs to make sure it gets out the way for this line. I'm keeping his line natural, not too thick. He doesn't like it too thick, so it's almost as if he doesn't have a line, but he likes it to be slightly prominent. So I just, you guys get to watch that. But in yesterday's vlog, you guys saw me talking about why I decided to go to cosmetology school instead of barber school, and I speak on giving people the haircuts that works best for them and teaching them about their hair. Jason has really curly hair, and he didn't believe he could have a comb over. It's something some people go through. They don't understand what their hair is capable of doing. So then silly enough, I introduced Jason to a blow dryer, and in this video you'll see me using a blow dryer and showing him techniques that he can use to allow his hair to actually comb over instead of curl up. So he used to cut his hair, as he's going to say later in the video, because he didn't believe his hair, once it got longer, it would just curl up instead of comb over. There are different things that you can do to manipulate your hair to get the hairstyle that you want. I just sprayed some water on here, and I usually use that or some shaving gel just to allow the blade to glide on the hairline, on the skin, so that I don't irritate it or give any cuts. And as you can see, the line is not that it's not that big. I just hit the lines on both sides. If you look at the line, it's really a rectangle with 2 sides, and you want to shape out those sides to create what looks like a straight line. But yeah, as I was saying, certain things that customers don't know, you want to know what they want to get to and then try and bring them there. They will appreciate you for that. Here is some scissor work. See, and this is this move you see me doing with the hair, swinging the scissor out. That's something I'm practicing. I've gotten a lot better at it now. This is 2-3 weeks ago, and I've been practicing that on mannequins and things like that. I used to just palm it, but I really like the scissor out of my way while I'm combing and stuff. It's so easy, and I think it looks dope. So I've been practicing it, and I wanted to show you guys my progression. In the next time I do his video, I show you that again, and I'm pretty sure you guys will see the progression. Here I'm just blending the sides with the top. If you can see here, my fat fingers won't allow me to blend it, so I'm going to come out with some clipper over comb to get even closer down there, a little below the bridge. So this is really important for hair that moves. Black people's hair don't really move, it molds. So you have to hold the hair and cut it, because the hair falls, it moves. So you got to move it to cut it. If you try and cut it without moving it, it's gonna move. It's really simple, but hope you understand that. And I take some scissor over comb just to get a little closer to blend in to my scissor work on the top. It really changes the fade, allows it to go effortlessly. You guys already saw the cut. Now I'm trying to do that to the bridge. I wasn't really liking the line there. Then I came back over with the scissor just so that I can blend that out. I understand he's trying to grow his hair, but I'm not gonna risk leaving weight lines just so he grows his hair. I want it to grow out faded, you know what I mean? So when the next cut comes in, you guys are really gonna see what I'm talking about. You see that thing is faded up crazy. So now I just take out my round brush. I'm about to get ready to blow dry him. It's important to go in sections. So I start at the back, then I move towards the front. The hair has already been wet down, and going on top of the hair, following it with the brush so that it doesn't get any frizz and it has sheen. And the point of blow drying and using this brush this way is you want the hair to be blow dried in the direction that you want it to be styled. You know, here I didn't give him any volume at all because this wasn't really, this is like, what time is it? It's like 11 or 10 on a Saturday night. He's not really going anywhere. I'm just showing him what his hair is capable of doing.
Actually stayed up. Actually staying up too. Like, if there was more hair, would have been really tired. I've been actually like combing it like just this part too, instead of like this, so this can stay high.
Oh, okay. You know how you're trying to get a comb over? This
well, I was.
That shit's at, oh, you're not doing that anymore?
That's why I kept cutting it low. I'll do it. I'll grow it again.
Then I just come over with the blade. You know, it's really, he had to cut probably like a week before this, so I just wanted to get him for this video to show people this texture. I know Chris Basio and Matt Gifted Hands have told me like they haven't seen much different textures. I'm trying to get you guys all these textures. Andrews, the college I went to, is the second most diverse school in the nation, so I've had experience with these cuts. Thanks for watching. Please hit that subscribe button. We out here. We're gonna be dropping more videos. Let me know what you think about these vlogs and any other content you want to see. Just leave it in the comment box below. Thanks for watching again. The Barber's Table is back in full effect. Let's do this.